Hello, 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 crafty angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today. I had a request to show how I add closed captions to my videos. So here you see the screen from my channel. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is you see down here how it says CC on my videos. That's what I'm going to show y'all how to do. So I'm going to go to this video because this one's the only one that doesn't have the CC on it. I'm going to click it. Okay. And right down here, y'all see where it says edit video. Click on that. Let's wait for it to come up. And over here on the left-hand side, you will see the details, the analytics, editor, the comments. You're going to click on subtitles. Okay. Click on that. And then here it says duplicate or edit. Click on that. I learned this from someone else. So, and here is everything that you said in the video. This will be your closed caption right here or your subtitle. So what you want to do is hit on the draft first to save the draft. Then you hit publish and then it will publish your closed caption. Okay. So when you go back to my channel, it will have, my internet's a little slow today due to the cold weather. And now you see where it says CC right here. And that's all you do to add the closed captioning to your videos. Okay. If there's anything you would like, anything else you would like to see me do or attempt to do, please do leave it in the comment section and I will try my best to do that for you guys. I will say this, please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button. Can't talk this morning. And subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, and hit that thumbs up, y'all, because that does help. I will see you all on the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.